Hi students, welcome to math class. Nowadays, this is the common site which we use. How do you think this site predicts the next possible words? This application has about 500,000 words in English dictionary in it. And it scores the words we use very often. Example, hi is the word scoring 5260 and has high chances to use it. And so this word is suggested. It also scores the phrases so that it can suggest the words which are used together. If you wish your friends on their birthdays, by testing wish you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Every time you type happy, the next word suggested would be to, birthday, new. The word with highest score is placed in the center. The application does the suggestions by calculating the chances or probability of using a word by scoring. The chance of happening an event when expressed in terms of numbers is called probability. Let us see some examples to understand the science behind the predictions. Some important terms related to this chapter. How to calculate the chances of happening an event. Suppose you want to start a game cricket with your opponent team. To decide who bats first, we toss a coin. The team wins the toss decides to bat first or bowl first. Once tossed, we get two results. Either we get a head or get a tail. These results are called outcomes. Tossing a coin is called an experiment or a trial. Trial is an action which can have more than one result. The outcome is a probable result when a trial performed. If we collect all possible outcomes of an experiment or a trial, it looks like a set. In case of tossing the coin, the set looks like this, a head and a tail. In probability, the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. So, can you tell what could be the sample space when a die is thrown? The action here is rolling a die. So, rolling a die is a trial. When a die is thrown, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the possible results or outcomes. So, the sample space would be S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When the dice is rolled, the desired outcome could be 6. That is only one outcome from the sample space. Or getting an even number. That is even numbers from the sample space. They are set of 2, 4, 6. Set or collection which has the desired outcomes is called an event. To calculate the probability, writing the sample space correct is very important. So far, we have seen two parts. One, the prediction of the test while messaging and tossing a coin or rolling a die. Tell me students, are you able to connect to them? At least by now, if one would ask you what is the chance to get a head when a coin is tossed, you would simply say 50%, right? But if I tell you when I toss a coin 100 times, I got head as outcome 85 times. Will you still say that there is a 50% chances of getting head? No. So students, basically there are two types of probabilities. The one experimental or empirical and the second one is theoretical probability. Let us see an example. Suppose let team A and team B were to play a cricket match. At the beginning of the match, if we were to predict the winners of the match, when we know nothing about their earlier performances, we would say the both teams have 50% chances to win the game. This is called theoretical probability. Let us suppose in the past they have played 10 matches of which team A has won 8 of them. Then on asked to predict the winners, we could say that team A will win. This prediction or calculation depending on some data is called empirical or experimental probability. Now I think there is no confusion among empirical and theoretical probability. Now we are going to calculate empirical probability. The empirical probability of an event is the ratio of number of trials in which the event happened to the total number of trials. We call it empirical as the probability we calculate is going to be based on the result of an experiment performed. When a game of Ludo, we rolled the dice. Here, the list of possible outcomes was, so the sample space was, suppose by the end of the game, the die was rolled 500 times and the observations was recorded as what is the probability that when a dice was rolled, 4 was on top. The result was an odd number. Here, the trial is rolling of a die. The number of trials is 500. The desired event is getting a 4. So, using a formula for empirical probability, probability of getting 4 is 94 upon 500, that is 0.188. For the second part, the desired event is getting an odd number. Of all the outcomes in the sample space, the odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5. So, the probability of getting an odd number is 96 plus 70 plus 75 upon 500 or 241 upon 500 or 0.482. What is the probability of getting a 0 here? Now 0 is not a part of the sample space. So now applying the formula, we get probability of 0 is 0 upon 500, that is 0. You remember that tossing the coin at the start of the game? What is the coin is tossed 100 times and the results are head 47 times, tail 53 times. What is the probability to get a head and that getting a tail? By calculating using formula, we get probability of getting head is 47 upon 100 or 0.47 and the probability of getting tail is 53 upon 100 or 0.53. Notice here that the probability of getting a head plus probability of getting a tail is equal to 1. Therefore, the probability of an event is always greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1. Now, a few facts about the probability we can state are: the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. The sum of the probability of all possible outcomes is 1. The probability of an event that is not in the sample space is 0. With the learnings from this session, try to solve the questions. Please pause the video and solve it. Thank you.